welcome to our Zoom presentation. We are here to present that we have low risk assessment system for AI-based decision support for correctional program. Next. Consists of Dimas, Danu, Saputra, Wilberth, Noenoehitoe, Khoirunnisa, Zhuryfa, Almas, Azhainsie, and myself, Aidha, Fitri, Febiyanti. Let's begin with the first presentation. To start, I will explain the basic concept of recidivism, which refers to the tendency of a convicted criminal to reoffend. Recidivism is defined as the relapse into criminal behavior, which can be measured through rearrest, reconviction, or reimprisonment. Now I will pass the spotlight to Zhuryfa Almas. Now I would like to explain about the assessment. According to Faisal and Wolf in 2015, in their study, a systemic review of criminal recidivism rates worldwide, a significant proportion of recidivism cases occur because rehabilitation interventions are not aligned with the offender's primary risk factors. This misalignment often stems from initial assessment that lack objectivity and consistency. Next. Now we will talk about the background of the study. Correctional officers face significant challenges in accurately assessing inmates' behavioral risk and predicting the likelihood of reoffending. Traditionally, risk assessment have relied heavily on manual observations and interviews. However, these conventional approaches are often subjective and lack consistency, which reduces the reliability of the assessment outcomes. The next section will be explained by Khoirunnisa. Amanda, time is yours.
Now let me explain the objectives of this study. This study aims to develop a smart risk assessment system that combines face recognition, voice analytics, and AI-based decision support. Predict reoffending risk. It helps correctional officers make faster, data-driven decisions for rehabilitation and management. Next, let's move to the novelty of this research. The novelty lies in creating a real-time AI-driven assessment system tailored for correctional settings. It improves precision in predicting recidivism, enables personalized rehabilitation, and transforms correction to a smarter, more human process. Next will be presented by Dimas.
Okay, in this section, I will explain the workflow design for the development of the smart risk assessment system that we have proposed. First, user will access the website to log in as administrator. The administrator will create a document that will be filled by inmate data. To access the inmate dashboard, system will first perform facial and voice recognition to identify the inmate who will be assessed. The AI model used for voice recognition is SpaceBrain, and facial recognition will utilize a combination of OpenCV and TensorFlow. Once the assessment is completed, the data will be stored in inmate dashboard. The evaluation process will be conducted by AI-based decision support system. And then the next, I will explain the administrator dashboard UI of the smart risk assessment system. This section provides a quick overview of the role, workload, and the current status of the assessment process. It allows administrator to monitor the progress of individual assessment and the result of biometric identity verification. The dashboard also facilitates the management and consistency of the assessment framework while offering practical guidance to ensure the quality and the integrity of the entire evaluation process. Next will be presented by my friend Noenoehitoe.
Thank you, Dimas. Now I would like to explain the assessment result. Successful biometric verification enhances data integrity, which is crucial for strategic decisions within the correctional facility, including consideration for granting conditional rights. This assessment results as dashboard functions as a tool to present data from AI-based decision support, which is used to determine the next steps in inmate rehabilitation. In the smart assessment system, we use voice analytics and face recognition to verify the identity of the inmates. Voice analytic features uses the SpeechBrain platform, and the face recognition features use the collaboration between InsightFace and TensorFlow. The conclusion is integrating facial recognition, voice analytics, and AI-based decision-making offers a promising way to create more accurate and objective system. The systems can better tailor rehabilitation approach based on individual risk level, ultimately supporting the reintegration, well-being, and reducing reoffending rates or recidivism among inmates in alignment with correctional goals. This innovation holds the potential to improve public safety and inmates' outcomes more effectively than traditional approach.
Thank you once again for being with us today. Stay safe, stay inspired, and see you next time.